この番組はご覧のスポンサーの提供でお送りしました。
Babe, I think I need a new set of suspension setup. Otherwise, how can I deliver all this tofu? But I don't know which brand should I go for.
Well, have you ever heard of BC Racing?
Nani? BC Racing?
Yep. BC Racing is one of the largest dealer of custom and pre-built suspension products. Founded in 2006, they now offer over 1,000 different suspension kits. Their product line includes springs, coilovers, struts, and multiple other replacement parts. And the best part is, they are also the official suspension sponsor for Formula Drift.
Yep, so head over to bcracingusa.com
or contact your local BC Racing dealer to get your first set of BC Racing coilovers today.
Now let's get back to today's video. What's up guys, welcome back to the Fujiwara Tofu Cafe channel. It is our first vlog in 2021 and I have so many plans for Fujiwara Tofu Cafe this year. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe this channel and shop on our website at fujiwaratofucafe.com because it really helps us a lot in this channel. So in this episode, we're gonna install a couple of things that I got last Christmas, well, which is like a couple of weeks ago. So I got this dash cam for my mom as a Christmas present, and I also got a TLD door stabilizer from a very good friend of mine, Hugo, as a Christmas present as well. So let's unbox them and check it out. So let's install the dash cam first, since I think it's gonna take some time for me to tuck all the wires. I kinda understand why my mom got me this as a Christmas present. She probably noticed I have dash cam on all of my cars except my AE86. Ooh, this is nice. I guess this is for the rear view mirror, and yeah, it has a camera in the front. This is nice. Okay, so this is for the rear camera, I guess, backup camera, and a power cable here, and looks like it is GPS system. Yeah, perfect. Sorry, it's kind of messy in the back. So to install the rear wheel camera, I probably have to remove the rear trunk panel right here by removing these 4 screws. And that's where I'm gonna start tucking all the wires through all these door panels all the way to the front dash cam. Guess we don't need this walkway mirror anymore. I actually got this mirror the first day when I got the A6, so it's time to put that away and install the new dash cam. It's actually almost the same size, to be honest, so perfect. To install it, I guess we're gonna need to put these rubber piece thing in the back in order to mount it on the mirror. So give me a minute here, let me install it first. Dude, it looks so good. Let me actually peel this off so you guys can see it better. Damn! I know a lot of you doesn't like to put like new technology stuff into old cars, but this is actually not bad. Okay, now time to do the wiring stuff. Yep, that's where we're gonna mount the rear wheel camera. Instead of running these power cables that the package provided, we're gonna use these USB cable that I got from Amazon. We're gonna run this wire from here through the glove box and all the way to the dash cam. One thing I hate about working on old cars is these interior pieces just crack so easily. When I was tucking the wires inside, I accidentally cracked one of these pillar covers. So if you guys have a spare one, please hit me up on Instagram because I think I'm gonna need another one. I think I just broke the whole piece. Yeah, it's not that fun working on old cars, guys. So I just got the wiring done. Now let's turn it on. Check it out. Okay. Yeah, I haven't put in the SD card yet. So you can always record the fun and the weird at the same time. Oh, this is so good. I'll get used to this. And I can always turn it off if I want to just use the regular rear wheel mirror. Turn it back on. Yep. Mom, if you're watching this, thank you. I love it so much. Alright, up next, we're gonna unbox and install the TLD door stabilizer. So inside the box, you'll see two TLD door strikers, some new bolts, two plastic covers, and these two metal brackets. Of course, it's gonna come with the TLD instruction papers. According to TLD, they said these door stabilizers will help to improve the rigidity of your car. Even the Drift King Kaiichi Tsuchiya himself got these door stabilizer on his 86. To install the TLD door striker is actually pretty simple. You just have to remove these two bolts on the stock door striker and the whole thing should come out. Then we just have to replace it with the TLD door striker with the two new bolts that they provided. And there's something we have to install on the door as well. First, we will have to remove these two screws right here, put in these metal brackets, and slide in these two plastic covers on the brackets. That's pretty much it. Anyway, I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like afterwards. So I just got the TLD door stabilizers, installed it on both sides. Now let's see if it's gonna sound any different. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna sound any different, guys. But still, I want to say thank you, Hugo, for giving me these TLD door stabilizers for my A6, because the truth is, these door stabilizers is supposed to be for his A6, but since my friend Hugo is putting his project on hold right now, so that's why he rather see these door stabilizers on my A6 instead of just sitting in the garage, you know. So Hugo, if you're watching this, thank you. I love you so much, brother. I promise you that if someday you have your project running again, I will buy you another TLD door stabilizers for your A6, okay? I promise you that. So yeah, that's a wrap for today's video. We are so close to our first 1,000 subscribers. So I will definitely do a giveaway in the next video, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, that's a wrap. If you love this video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe our channel, and leave us a comment down below. As always, everything starts with a dream. Later!